Hey everyone! I am going to describe compressor pumps. The compressor pump are essential tools for a wide range of industries and applications. They are used to compress gases and air, which can then be used to power machinery, tools, and other equipment. Compressor pumps are also used to create vacuum, which can be used for a variety of tasks, such as cleaning, packaging, and food processing. This video will introduce you to the basics of compressor pumps, including how they work, their different types, and their applications. We will also discuss some of the key factors to consider when choosing a compressor pump for your needs. Here are some of the key benefits of compressor pumps. They are versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications. They are relatively easy to operate and maintain. They are available in a variety of sizes and capacities to meet the needs of any application. They can be powered by a variety of sources, including electricity, gas, and diesel. Here are some of the common applications of compressor pumps: construction, manufacturing, food and beverage processing, pharmaceuticals, automotive, mining, oil and gas, aerospace, healthcare, HVAC. In this video, we will cover the following topics. What is a compressor pump? How does a compressor pump work? Different types of compressor pumps, applications of compressor pumps, factors to consider when choosing a compressor pump. We hope this video will provide you with a better understanding of compressor pumps and how they can benefit your business or